Okay, once again, I bought a motorcycle, and once again, my heart got ahead of me. I said, shut up, take my money, or you're a piece of shit. I bought this, it's a 1986 Shadow 1100. Pretty good size. Oh, I have my phone in front of it. Don't tell nobody. It's a Shadow 1100, it's an 86. I paid $600 for it. Seems like a good deal, but it's got like fucking a million miles. The problem with it is this rear cylinder. Oh, there goes that thumb again. I just got a new phone too, so I don't know how to work the camera on it yet, so sorry about the thumbs. I'm all thumbs today. The rear cylinder misfires in a weird way. I don't know what's wrong with it. Let's see if I can't get the thing to run. Starts up real easy, but watch this carburetor here. You'll see it puffing out. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. It's all blowing through the carburetor. I don't know if the microphone on this phone will work to tell, but this exhaust here sounds funny compared to this one. This one here sounds like it's sucking in because the cylinder is missing. This is slightly warm. This is pretty fucking hot. If I rev it up, this one feels like it's blowing out while this one's sucking in. Can't do it with both hands. Let me know what's wrong with it. I'm pretty stumped. Oh! I ran a compression check. I have 150 pounds or 125 pounds of pressure on this one, and I have 125 pounds of pressure on this one. If that makes any sense. It's not a burnt valve. The spark plugs both look decent. I'm thinking it's an ignition problem. I came up here. These are the coils. I thought if the timing is off, and this cylinder is firing when that one's supposed to be, or vice versa, it kind of makes sense because it's a V-twin and they're so close together. It makes one cylinder run decently while the other one doesn't really run at all. So I switched this plug and this plug, thinking, who knows, maybe somebody got them backwards or something, I don't know. The spark plugs were mismatched. This has a square-shaped spark plug. Well, this has a round one, so you can't mess them up front to back. However, this has a round one, and this has a square one, so you can still mess them up front to back. That one would have to go there, and that one would have. That one would have to go there, and that one would have to go there. This one would have to go here, and that one would have to go there. So that's why I just switched them rather than doing whatever it did. Let me know what you think. Thanks.